Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a SheModern haul video for you. SheModern was very kind and they sent me a gift card to purchase some of their new powders that they recently released, and I finally received my little package. So I decided to share with you and show you what I got with my gift card. So thank you so much to SheModern, and I'm really looking forward using your powders. I did try them in the past. I know that I'm not using them too often, but these are absolutely stunning. I have high hopes that this time around you will see me using them more often. These are meant to be used mainly with gel polishes. As you know, I typically use regular nail polish, but I try to incorporate gel polishes on my channel as well for those of you who are interested in polish that lasts longer on your nails and yet you want something extra on your nails besides just a plain coat of gel polish. So thank you so much again SheModern and Tina for your generous gift card, and I'm really excited to use all these goodies. I don't even know where to start, so what I will do, I will just show you close up to all of these, and just stay tuned. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and also please hit the subscribe button if you would like me to use these glitters and powders in my upcoming videos. So keep watching. I will show you the close-ups, and if you have any questions on any of these, or if there is something in particular that you would like me to use on my channel, please let me know in the comment section, and I will link for you everything in the description box. So definitely make sure to check out SheModern's website, and they quite frequently also have great sales on their products. I mainly love their water decals, you know that guys. I have been using those for a while now and they are one of the best ones on the market. They are mainly made for gel polishes and gel polish top coats. You can use them with water-based top coat over regular polish of course, but it's recommended to use them over gels. So let's jump into the haul itself. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.